Let's see it. I'ma tell you something about it. Detangle is where I'm from. U.S. Virgin Islands, historical place to be. Clear waters and blue seas. Never wanna brag, cause we got our eagle and we flag. Means we soar and fly high as we can and much more. So put some respect on it. Detangle is where I'm from. U.S. Virgin Islands, historical place to be. Clear waters and blue seas. Never wanna brag, cause we got our eagle and we flag. Means we soar and fly high as we can and much more.
So quick update, I did upload this video earlier today, however it was flagged and YouTube removed the video due to nudity. I don't know exactly what nudity because I was just washing my baby's hair and only the top half of his body and his legs was showing. However, they decided to take it down anyways, so I am re-recording my voiceover and I took out those clips of me washing his hair. But just note that I did detangle and moisturize his hair after washing it. I do not wash his hair on a daily basis, but in this video I was trying to show you guys the entire process of how I deal with his hair. However, I will make a video on how I wash his hair at a later date when I have a better setup where, you know, maybe his body isn't showing at all, because I guess that was the issue. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I keep my baby hair moisturized and tangle free. When he was born, his hair was very straight and sleek and I didn't have to do much to it, but now that he's getting older, his curls are in and his hair gets very dry very quick, because as a baby he's always laying on the back of his head and the side, so those areas get dry very fast, and if I don't keep it tangle free, he get lint in between his curls at the end and it gets really matted. So I try to moisturize and detangle his hair on a daily basis or every 2 days after his bath. This is his hair before I wash it, but I do end up washing it before I detangle it. These are the tools and products that I use in his hair. I alternate between the Honest Conditioning Detangler and the Shea Moisture one. And then I use my DIY body butter as well as the Shea Moisture Kids Drama Free Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. I used to use the coconut oil I received from Nevis, but that's just not enough for his hair anymore. And then I used his baby comb to help detangle his hair. Those brushes just not enough for his hair anymore. So this is his hair freshly washed. I will be doing a separate video on how I wash his hair, but I start by spraying the Honest brand detangling spray in his hair, and I use my fingers to detangle his hair as much as possible before putting the comb through it. So I just take my time and I rake my fingers through his hair piece by piece, and I'm being very gentle. Although it may look like I'm being kind of rough, it's because the video is speed up about 4 times, so I am taking my time and he's not in pain. Done, I use the Shea Moisture Kids Leave-In Conditioner and I rub it all over his head. I use about a dime size amount, and then I come in with his baby comb and I take my time and I thoroughly detangle his hair, especially the ends. The ends is really what gets very matted, and I have to take my time and make sure I'm not pulling his hair. So this is the time consuming part. I really take my time and comb his hair out. I do not just comb it from the root to the ends because I don't want to pull his hair out. I just detangle the ends first and I move my way up. And once his hair is thoroughly detangled, I use my DIY hair and body butter and I apply it to his scalp. This has really helped keeping the moisture in his hair and keeping his scalp moisturized as well. So I apply it to his scalp and then use my fingers to rake it through the strands of his hair, and that really helps lock in the moisture, and it also makes his hair very soft. I know the sound of it being a body butter, you may think it's very heavy on his hair, but it's not. It makes his hair very soft and moisture, and it keeps the moisture in as well. This also helped when he had cradle cap. But once that's done, I massage his hair with my fingers. I massage his scalp with my fingertips, and then I use the comb to get rid of any parts that may still be visible in his hair from when I was applying the hair and body butter. And then that's it. This is his hair thoroughly detangled and moisturized, and his baby curls are popping, and his hair is soft, and it smells good. So that's about it. I try to do this on a daily basis or every 2 days to avoid him getting the bald spot in the back of his head, because a lot of babies get that due to always laying on the back of their hair and their hair being very dry and brittle. And then once I'm finished moisturizing his hair, I lay him on this satin pillowcase just so that his hair can soak in the moisture for as long as possible. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.
The eyes stand up, sing Croix, rise up. The eyes stand up. Oh, yeah, oh yeah. Never grew up with no silver spoon inside of me mouth, being a lie. Mama teach me to scrunch one, scrape and tough it out, being a lie. True, I grew up in church, said I know.